Hey guys, my name is Joshua Zimmerman. I'm a practicing yogi, and I'm going to be trying on some swim briefs, some mini briefs, and some swim trunks for you today. I am 5 foot 4 inches, I weigh 118 pounds, and I have a 28-inch waist. I'll be letting you know how they work for movement and how I might feel in practice with them. And without further ado, I'm just going to try them on for you. Yeah, so these black swim briefs here, I really enjoy the way that these fit. I love the material, super cozy. We got this beautiful white string to contrast the black too. I really like the way that these look. They still keep the hip bones popping, which I really like, and good fit for the bum too. Yeah, nice and comfortable through the waistband as well. Yeah, I would wear these for practice. I would take them to a hot yoga studio. I would definitely wear them to the beach and feel totally comfortable in these. Yeah, I think they're really tasteful and a great option to go swimming or go to the beach in. Yeah, so I really like these mini briefs. First of all, I really love the color. I think the teal, it's just a beautiful color. It really pops out. The mini briefs, these ones are really nice. These are extra small. And I can tell that I can wear them a little bit lower on my hips, which kind of gives like the side obliques an opportunity to pop out as well. Gets the bum popping without them having to be so high up on my waist. So kind of the best of both worlds if you wanted to show your hip bones and if you wanted to show your bum at the same time. So let's tie these up, see how they fit with the tie. Yeah, I think these are really great. I love the little tie in the front too. Not too tight, they're tight, but I can still fit a thumb in there. So I'll probably wear it a little bit more up. Yeah, and so overall, I really like the way these extra smalls fit. I'm gonna be trying on a pair of smalls for you too, so we'll see how those contrast in terms of size. Okay, so these are the size small yellows. First of all, I love all the vibrant colors, they're great. The white tie still really contrasts real well with the color. The difference in these ones I've found is I can wear them a little bit higher. So in the smalls, I can pull them up a little bit more. That's gonna show off the bum. It also kind of creates this nice comfortable for the front too. The extra smalls were pretty low, which is, you know, a sexier look. I think that these kind of match with just kind of peek out the hip bones, which I like. More of like a subtle sexy more than like a totally overt sexiness. So I really like these. Yeah, I would wear these to the beach. I would even probably do a hot yoga practice in these as well. Great range of motion. No fear of popping out or anything. Still get the butt. Show off the butt a little. I really like them. These are great. So I think between the extra small and the size small, if you're around my build, it would just be a matter of preference and how you want them to fit. This has just a little bit more room for the thumb, but overall, they're super comfortable. Both are really comfortable. I think it's just a matter of what you'd want to showcase while you wear them. Last but not least, these are the trunks. I really love this option, especially for like a yoga practice. I think these would actually be the preferred ones that I would wear in my personal practice. They're just a great length. They have great mobility to them. If you were going to practice in them or maybe work out in them, I would encourage wearing some underwear. Just there's that possibility of popping out the side and you know, if you're running down the street, maybe you wouldn't want that to happen. But otherwise, you've got some great pockets here, some zipper pockets, spot for a phone, wallet, whatever. You could take these and wear them as a fashion short too, not just workout or swim trunk, which I like. The color's really nice and the material feels really good too. It feels super, super soft. So this is a size small, and I think that they fit absolutely perfect. I wouldn't go bigger and I wouldn't go smaller. The drawstring really brings it into the waist, and I think if you wanted to, here, let's try this out. Yeah, you could wear them a little bit lower on the hips too. I actually like that better. So a little lower on the hips would be the way that I would wear it. So we tried on the swim trunks here. We had the mini briefs, which were yellow, and those were size small. We had the teal size extra small mini briefs. And then we had the size small black regular swim briefs. And that's all the try on haul that we had today. And I love them all.